Guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video, I'm showing you how you can fix YouTube error 400. There was a problem with your network. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So if you are seeing the YouTube error 400 like this that you can see on your screen, then you should watch this video until the end to know the full process to resolve this issue. So firstly, you have to open your device settings, and then you have to go to your apps. After that, tap on the manage apps. Then here you can search for YouTube and then simply open it. Then tap on the storage, and here you have to simply tap on the clear data and clear the cache by tapping on the clear cache and then tap on the OK. After clearing your cache, you have to simply if this issue is still going on, then what you need to do, you have to simply open your browser, and then from here search a speed test. So you can type like this and then search a speed test in your browser. Then you can see this window which is showing up internet speed test. So you can simply run a speed test by tapping on the run a speed test. So this is due to that this YouTube error 400 is due to the bad internet connection or poor internet connection. So you should test your internet speed, and it should be uh, s- uh, appropriate for uploading or opening of videos on the YouTube. So if you test your internet speed test and then you find it to be a little bit slow, then you should simply if you are using any Wi-Fi connection, then you should simply turn off your Wi-Fi, as comparatively we see then mobile data seems to be fast than Wi-Fi. So you can simply turn off the Wi-Fi, and after that what you need to do, if it is still not working, what you need to do, you have to simply again open your browser, and here you should type like that each YouTube down and then simply search it, and here you should find this website down detector. So you should open this website, and here it will show the real time status that is YouTube outage. So here you can see the YouTube outage reported in the last 24 hours. So here you can if you see any spike in this you can see chart, so you should simply know that you are not only facing this problem, but YouTube is simply down. So in that case you should do not have to worry about that. So that's it, that how you can fix YouTube error 400. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you next.